Hello and welcome to a new video looking at lost and abandoned parts of Llandudno Junction Station. Llandudno Junction Station originally opened in 1858 to serve the St George's Harbour and Railway Company branch, which would later become the Llandudno branch, serving what was then a growing holiday resort. The station initially only had platforms on the Llandudno branch and did not get them on the main North Wales Coast Main Line until a few months later. The North Wales Coast Main Line was built from Chester to Holyhead between 1844 and 1850 to serve the mail traffic from London to Ireland. The station was further developed when the Conway Valley branch opened 5 years later. The new station was built at the point where the Llandudno branch left the main line just east of the Conway estuary. Just looking along Conway Road, where the entrance to the station would have been, I don't know if the warehouses are railway related, but the entrance would have been roughly in the middle of the shot now, where the Network Rail depot is today. Just looking at the site of the original station, which was roughly where this Avanti train is snaking its way around to the left towards Conway, the Llandudno branch went off to the right under the road underpass. The station soon became a bit of a bottleneck, and by 1897 there was a need for a much larger station featuring 8 platforms. This opened 200 yards to the east, back towards Chester. We're currently looking down from the road overbridge at the site of the platform that was abandoned in 1968. From this shot you can see where it lies in relation to the current station. Immediately south of the later station was the goods yard, and to the south of that was the Llandudno Junction engine shed. These photos by Alan Murray Rust show what the engine shed looked like in 1962. The engine shed was originally opened in 1858 with a new depot replacing it in 1880. This was later rebuilt in 1899 and would survive until 1966. At which point the later carriage shed then became the local diesel depot. These covered the area where the cinema and fast food restaurants are today. A lone lamppost and some overgrown rails is all that remains of the goods yard today. The carriage shed would be demolished in the year 2000, and the cinema and restaurants would be built just after the millennium. Going up to the 6G road bridge, we're looking at the western end of the station. You can see the right hand bay, which is abandoned. The abandoned through platform is in the trees on the right. And here's a closer look at a surviving section of the through platform. Having a look over the fence from what is now platform 4, we can see the overgrown remains of the through platform. According to this old Ordnance Survey map, courtesy of National Library of Scotland, we can see that there were 2 bay platforms at the eastern end of the station as well. That would have been roughly in this area that we're looking at now. So that concludes our look at the lost and abandoned sections of Llandudno Junction Station, including the 4 lost platforms, the lost motive power depot and the lost station. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.